Hi, I'm with Chef Ambrose Pro of Allspice Institute, and we're here today to show you how to cook the Ikan Goreng using the Rempah Kuning.
Today we are using the snapper fillet instead of the Ikan Goreng. What do you think about the fish?
It's really good, and I love that rempah flavor, and then also what the turmeric leaf does. It just has that strong, beautiful otak kind of a feel about it. The fish is really yummy.
Yes, it's just cooked, not overcooked.
Perfect, perfectly cooked.
Wonderful.
Aren't you having some?
Yeah.
It's really good.